1. Alright, the Emu Empire goes to grab some cubes. Shark Week got a ton of cubes out of their system. They're filtering out those greens on their lower level. Shark Week trying to push all of those red cubes off the post. Shark Week grabbing a ton of cubes. Give it 35 seconds to now switch sides. The Emu Empire picking up some green cubes, see if they can get into the goals. Shark Week grabbing another purple. You must have searched diamonds. The Emu Empire going to score another green, and they get it in. Shark Week with tons of cubes in their system, with 10 seconds left, can they get into the hole in time? They drop a few purples. They go to the other goal to try to score some. Emu Empire going to the bar. Alright, for qualification 19, we have 40301A, Code Crushers, and